Hi, my name's Kay James. I'm an occupational therapist and also moving and handling trainer. I'm based in Maidstone in Kent. And the RISE Disability Conference asked me to run a practical workshop this year, which we were really looking forward to doing. And obviously, thanks to COVID, we're doing this instead. So they've asked me just to let you know how our services could help families and people who employ carers and what we can do to help you locally. So our business has been running for about the last 10 years and we can help families if they need a private occupational therapy assessment, or if you're recruiting carers and they need some moving and handling training, then you could call me and we could provide a quote and see whether you'd like us to provide some training for your carers. They should have a training course every year to keep them up to date with their moving and handling. The occupational therapy services that we provide look at moving and handling, enabling people to be as independent as possible by recommending equipment, housing adaptations. So that's the kind of work that we do in the community. We also have a contract with Kent County Council to deliver an occupational therapy service into the care homes across the whole of Kent. So if you've got a relative who's in a care home and you think they'd benefit from an occupational therapy assessment, maybe you think that the care home have left them in bed and that actually they could be hoisted out into an armchair or a wheelchair, then you could give Kent County Council a call and use their duty service. Anyone can refer through the system. You don't need to go to the GP. There's an online system to make a referral, or you'll find that there's a duty phone number if you have a look on their website. And then what Kent County Council will do is give the case to my team so that then we can come out and visit, or if the care home doesn't want any visits at the moment, then we can provide a video call assessment, and we would write a report and make recommendations as to what equipment or techniques or things they need to try and do to manage your relative's care better. The service that we provide doesn't fund any equipment for the care homes, so Kent County Council pays for the occupational therapy service, but they don't provide any of the equipment. So if we're recommending equipment, we'd send a quote to the care home, and then the care home could consider whether they're going to fund that equipment, or if you want the report and the quote for your loved one, then just ask the care home and they'll share that with you, so that you can see what our recommendations were. So we're looking forward to next June and hopefully being able to provide some practical moving and handling workshops. Again, come along and see us doing that over at the Kent County Council Showground. And if you want to get in contact with me at all, my company's called OT4Independence. You can find us on the internet, just OT4Independence.co.uk, and my phone numbers and email address and everything are on the website, so do get in touch if you've got any questions. Okay, take care, stay safe, bye.